Guys, so here is the GAN V100. So let's try it out. Honestly, this packaging looks pretty top-notch. I think it looks pretty cool. So let's take this out. I wonder if this is the same as the 15 is to the new black. Maybe this is like the new black version of the GAN 16. Something is, I don't know if it's messing with me, but this is smaller than a usual GAN cube. Wait, so here's my GAN 15. No way! That's actually sick. A smaller GAN cube. I like that. I actually like that. Okay, so let's do some first turns. Okay, yeah, I'm liking this so far. I remember when I unboxed the GAN 15 New Black, I was impressed. And then I started doing some solves, but it didn't really like fit my turning style, and it was I don't know, I just didn't like the fluidity of the turning. I wonder if this might have the same story, because like it feels good, but like after I lube it, I just wonder if it's actually going to feel good and turn fluidly, and that it will fit with my turning style. That I don't know. So I guess it will have to come with a lot of experimentation. Let's see what we have under the hood. Okay, so it's a standard tensioning system, just like the other, you know, GAN cubes have been like. So yeah, I mean, it's a good cube. If I were to give a comparison, yeah, I would say that the GAN 16 has this certain satisfying clacky feeling. It's light, so I'd say my best description of the 16 is that it's light and clacky in a good way. For this one, it's a bit more, like, slightly more solid. It's not like a heavy cube or anything, but like the turns are a bit more rigid and solid. Not much clack to it. So this is I don't know. This is a interesting cube, and overall, I would say my first impressions are good. Let's probably try put some gravitas and dignitas to this cube. Yeah, so it does feel tighter now that I have tightened it. Right. Oh, that was 723. Let's just make this the last solve. I can't cube at this point. Okay, and that is how you do it. Right there. Okay, guys. You know, overall, I kind of like this cube. If you are interested in buying this cube, check the link in the description. Also, philosophy account. That's also in the description, or over here. So go check it out, learn some philosophy, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.